and we have another unboxing. And then later, I have to show you what else I got. So first up, we are going to unbox the Slay Glam Box for March. Now, I've been looking at this box for a while because Miss Ann unboxes it, and a few other subscription box on unboxer YouTubers that I follow, they unbox it. Now, what drew me to this particular box is the mere fact it comes in this really, really cute little pink box that kind of looks like a purse. And I was like, yo, that is so cute. And y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging, right? So then I order my box and it says it's been delivered. And so I'm like, all right, great, fantastic. I'm super excited. Can't wait to show you guys. Then I go get the mail, and this is what I get. What am I gonna do with this? Like, this ain't what I ordered. But I'm gonna let it slide. I'm gonna let it slide, and we're gonna see what we got today. So let's get into it, because I'm really disappointed. Like, I was really looking forward to getting the little pink box. But yeah, so how y'all doing while I get this open? I'm doing fantastic. Looking forward to the summertime. And yeah, starting to get warm finally. So yes, it says, hello, I have arrived, which is fantastic if it would have been the pink box. But that's neither here nor there. Will do. Okay, so with the Slay Glam Box, you're supposed to receive 5 to 7 full-size makeup items a month for $25 a month. So let's open it. So this is what we got. It's still not the pink box, but that's okay. So we do have a palette in this box, and I'm going to save that for last. But all right, what is these? So we got 2 of these. Rasha B Cosmetics Multi-Chrome Liquid Eyeshadows. I don't know what color these are, but these are cute. And Rasha B Cosmetics, I guess it's the owner of the Slay Glam Box. She also has her own cosmetics line, and this is her line. So yeah, I don't know much about regular eyeshadow, okay? I make do with what I know. But liquid eyeshadow seems like it's on a whole nother level. So let's see what we got going on here. But these are pretty though. They're multi-chromes. I don't know what color this is, but in the bottle it looks like copper, like a copperish pink color. But it's pretty. I don't know. And see, look, it shifts gold, kind of like a gold copper. And then you got your pinks. That's pretty. It was kind of cold on my hand. So we got 2 of these. So is this full size? Because I've seen liquid eyeshadows. Don't be this little. I mean, it's cute if it is. But I don't know if that's full size, dog. But that's okay. So here's the other one. Ooh, this one's really pretty. So in the bottle, it looks like a silver. But when I put it on, it was like an icy blue. And it's got like purple. So it's this one here. It's like purple, pinkish, blue. It definitely didn't go on this particular color. So that's really pretty. Maybe one day I'll get adventurous and try it. So up next we have this. Now I've known just only like lash glues, like them really bougie lash glues, to come in cases like this. But let's see, this is Drippin' Diamonds Beauty. It doesn't say what it is, but I saw one girl unbox this and it was an eyeliner and it was purple. And purple is like my favorite color, so we're gonna see. But isn't this pretty? It is pretty if it's an eyeliner. I don't know how I would hold it because I suck at eyeliner. Oh, I think I got the same thing. Oh, snap. It is, and it's purple. It's purple. I like it. Now, look, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but we'll find something. But it's pretty. It's different. I like it. Up next, from Rasha B Cosmetics, I'm going to assume this isn't a mascara. No. Okay, so does everybody get the same box? Because if so, I know what this is. It's well, duh. It's a mascara and it's purple. Well, that's probably not so smart, but I'll take the tip. So this is pretty. Look, I'm old, so ignore me. But I remember back in high school, color mascaras used to be the bomb. And like, it was really only like a blue mascara that everybody was rocking, but it was like all the rage in the 90s. So, like late 90s. Yeah. So, yeah, that's fun. Let's see. So next we have from the Sachet brand, a lipstick and lip liner duo in Close to You #2. So let's see. All right. Does anybody remember a pop-up video? That used to be my jam. Oh, so it's okay. So it's definitely a duo. So you have your lipstick on one side, and this is pretty. And I was just saying the other day how I wanted like a brown one. Oh, it's pretty creamy once you warm it up. It's like a brick brown, but that's pretty. I'd wear it. Okay, and then we have the lip liner, which is a pretty good match to it. Oh, well, duh. It should match if they go together, right? But yeah, so there is the lip liner. So that's cute. Let's see. Should I try it on now? Yeah, let's try it on now. So the lip liner feels really good. And let's see what the lipstick gonna do. What that lipstick gonna do? I don't need no lip liner. Yeah, I remember that song. Not bad. Not super terrible. Or maybe it's just the lighting. But it feels good. It's real creamy. I don't know if it got no staying power, but it's pretty. But yeah, we can leave that on. So yeah, so there is the lip liner duo. And next we have the eyeshadow palette. Again, this is from Rasha B Cosmetics. And again, this is her own line. And this one is called Gold Digger. So what I've seen, it looks pretty. But, ooh, okay. Okay, all right. So there are the colors. Oh, that is mirror. So yes, it comes with a mirror. And these are pretty. So you have some mattes down here. You have some shimmers and some pressed glitters. Now, these are really pretty. Like this focus color. This one is really pretty, so let's watch it. Ooh, it's really soft. Ooh, it's like purple. Can you see that? The lighting's not that great in here, but hey. Yeah, that's really pretty. Ooh. Now, the pigment was there, but it's a little dry. It goes on dry, but it feels really, really nice in the palette. Let's see, let's swatch one of these pressed glitters. Ooh, they're really soft. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm swatching this one, the Millionaire one. Let's see. Ooh, she's pretty. Be a nice topper or a nice inner corner that I rarely do, but maybe. All right. So that was everything in my Slay Glam box for March. Am I still bitter about the pink box? Yeah, absolutely. Am I upset that I got all this for $25? Absolutely not. So yeah, so that's that. And I don't know, I'm supposed to get it again, but I don't know. Should I get it again, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then stay tuned because I have another unboxing coming. So I'll catch y'all later. Peace.